Welcome to this new tutorial for Godot, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you a very cool feature which is called the tool feature. So you have your nodes and you can attach scripts to them, and you can give your scripts a tool mode. So what is a tool mode? Well, the tool mode basically just says that the script can also be executed in the editor, not only in the game but in the editor, and this gives you some very cool features for your assets and for your interactivity in the editor. So let's say we have this power up here, and I have three different types, or four: random, jump, speed, and immortal. And for each type I have a different image. Let's say, so this is for speed, and this is for immortality. And if I change the value here, I want to change it here too. So currently it doesn't work, it just works in the game. So there it just opens up and shows the proper image. Now let's say we want to do this also in the editor, and that's what the tool option is for in the script. So we will move over to the script here, and at the very top we just say tool, and this will enable the script to be running in the editor. Now we don't want to run everything in the editor because some functions won't work in the editor, and therefore we have to say that it just that a certain functionality only runs in game. So we have a function which tells us if we are in the editor or in the game. So we say get tree and is editor hint. So if the script is executed in the editor, it will give us true, otherwise it will give us false. So our normal game, or our normal game functionality, will only run in game. So we say if this is false, then this will execute it in the game. So now that's not all. Let's say we want to change this property here from jump to immortal, and now we want to trigger something. But how does the engine know if we change this value? Well, therefore we have a very cool keyword which is called setGet. So you see it is highlighted, and now we have to give it a function name. So let's say set underscore item, and now we have to create this function, and I've done it before already. So we have this function set item. This will take a new value, or this will have a value. It's the value we have changed here, and now we have to say power up equals new value. So this will set our value like always, but now we can also attach some logic here, and this will say what's going to happen. So if we change the power up type to jump, it will show the jump graphic and hide the other ones, and if it's set to speed, it will show the speed icon and hide the other ones, and so on. Yeah, that's basically it. So three important things you have to do. You have to set it to tool mode with the tool keyword. You have to create this function which is called setGet, give it a function name, and then declare the function with the logic you want to use. Now we will save the script, but you see, if we are going to change it now, let's try it out. Nothing happens. So if you make tool changes, if you declare a script as tool, you currently have to reload your project. So we will go back to the project manager and just reload the complete project. Now once it's done, we will go over to our scene, which is called power up, and see if it works. Let's change it to jump, and you see now that the jump icon is shown. Let's change it to speed, to immortal. Now let's go to the level, and this also works now here. So let's say you want this to be jump power up. Now just change it to jump, and it works. So if we start the game, you can see we now can jump, and it is also displayed in the editor. Now I will show you what I've used this tool option for. So let's open a level, and I have this jump it, for example. Now if I change the angle, it will shoot me. You see it is immediately displayed here, the direction, and I have this curve also. So let's say put it to 33 again. Now you see it draws this curve and shows me exactly where my character will fly. So I can better see in the editor already how I have to set up my angles to shoot them to certain spots I want them to. So this is one thing, for example. Another thing is this platform here. If I give it a path to D, it will follow this one, and now I can preview this in the editor if I just set it to preview path motion. This is also done by the tool keyword. Another thing is I have here my hooks. You can attach the hooks and swing around, and now I have this two circles. This one is how far he will swing, and this is the second one, which is very slightly seeable. This says from where he can get to the hook. So if I change this value here, you see immediately it will change here too. So this gives me a much better overview in the editor what I'm actually doing. I can also set the angles here. So in an angle 45 degree, it will change immediately. So that's basically what I wanted to show you, and I think this is a very cool feature, and I just discovered it a few days ago, and I think not many people know about it, and I just wanted to share it with you. So have fun and try to update your assets so they also work better in the editor. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.